Have you ever walked outside on a sunny day and suddenly sneezed? It might feel random, but for some people, bright light can actually trigger a sneeze. This is called the photic sneeze reflex. Scientists think it happens because the nerves connected to your eyes and nose are very close to each other. So when your eyes react to sudden bright light, your nose can accidentally join the conversation too. Not everyone has this reflex, but if you do, sunlight might be one of the weird little reasons you sneeze. Follow Fact Planet for more amazing facts.